Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I get my wigs from this to this. So I'm going to be showing you all how I boil my wigs on the stove. I'm going to boil some hot water first. So I'm going to show you all how I do that to get my wigs back flowy and glowing and that shine and luster. So right here I'm just filling up a pot with water so I could put it on the stove and get it boiling. So yeah. Okay, so now that my water has finished boiling, I'm going to pour it in my sink. I'm just going to use all of it because it wasn't that much anyway. But I do my wigs like this. I don't actually put the wig in my pot because I use those pots to cook with. I mean, to each his own. If that's what you want to do, you can do that. But I'm not doing that because I cook with all of my pots. So I put shampoo in the water and I mixed it around. And right here, I'm just showing you all how the wig looks before, and it looks a mess. Ooh, look at all that glue and build up on the lace. So yeah, I'm just dunking it in the water, and then I'm gonna just pack it down so to be submerged in the water. Look at how dirty the water is already, and I just put the wig in there. So that's how you know this hot water is working. Y'all, look at this water after 25 minutes. I let the wig soak for 25 minutes, and this, I believe, is all of that lace tint that I sprayed on the wig because of how brown it is. And of course, glue and build up like products that's in the wig. So yeah, I just drained the water. Then I'm gonna rinse the wig. Look at how clean the lace is. I didn't even have to rub anything on the lace. All of the glue just came off in the hot water. So right here I'm showing you guys my Pantene conditioner. I used whatever I had in the house. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some up there and rub that in really good and start scrubbing it a little bit and brushing it to, get all of that extra, dirt that was left behind in the wig after it had been soaking. Look how good it looks already. I was so happy with the results. So right here, I'm just brushing it to make sure there's no tangles. And really, it wasn't any. The brush was just gliding right through. So I was very happy about that. So now I'm gonna let you guys watch me put the wig on. So right here I'm just spraying my got to be spray on my wig cap. I'm cutting all that extra cap off because you do not need all of that extra cap on your forehead. This is the wig after it has dried for maybe about 6 hours. I let it dry for about 6 hours and it was about 80% dry. So this is my lace tint medium dark brown. That's the color I use. So I'm going to spray it on the lace so it'll match my skin complexion. I did blow dry the lace tint to help it speed up the drying process. This is me blow drying my first layer of Ghost Bond glue. I added another layer. I only did 2 layers because I ain't needed to be, I need to be stuck, but not that stuck. But yeah, so I just added another layer and I'm gonna push it down with the end of my rat tail comb and then I'm gonna blow dry it again. So here I got the wig on and I ended up putting on my band to hold the lace down. So now I'm just about to start styling the hair. I'm trying to part it to get my part straight or however I wanted it. If you don't have a wax stick and a hot comb, you need to get one if you're trying to learn how to do your own wigs or you want to do your own wigs, because the hot comb and the wax stick will make the top of the wig lay down. It will make it lay really, really flat. So that's how most people get their wigs flat. My hot comb was not hot enough. I was looking like, is it on? Because it's not smoking. It's not. See, look at my face. It's not smoking. It's not doing nothing. It's not working for me right now. I'm trying to curl my hair with the curlers, and I'm one of the girls that like to curl my hair with flat irons. I cannot use curlers. I don't know what it is about curlers, but I cannot curl my hair with them. But I could curl with the flat iron so good and pretty. I don't know. Watch this curl. Look at this curl. It's not giving. But I was like, oh well. Just give it up. Just give it up. Look at me trying to twirl it to make it curl with my finger. So guys, this was my end results, and I was so happy with my hair. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.